Hey guys, welcome to the daily recap for September 6, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. So we came into the market and we were basically looking for a slight bounce if the pivot was reclaimed. We got failure right out the gate, so we decided to go after some puts on the SPY and take a couple things on the short side. So some of the trades that we did today right out the gate, we did do the SPY 398 puts. We took them 388 puts out the gate for about a 100 and what was it? Sorry guys, one sec. There we go. 125% on those. We did some SPX on a roll to the downside for about 25%. 38 20s on that. We tried them again. Those one ended up not working. We took some JNJ out the gate. I was looking at the drug names again. Typically, drug names have been strong when the markets are weak. So we did the JNJ 167.50s. Got about 164% on them. On those, as well as I tend to look at biotech names when the market's weak. We did take Sava 30 calls out the gate for 156%. Ended up swinging those overnight. Intraday, we did grab some SPX calls off the lows. When the SPX started to bounce, actually it was more so intraday or right after the morning open. The secondary move, as I like to call it, after the primary move's done. And we got about 59% on those. Pretty decent. ISEE, another biotech name. We grabbed the 15 September calls out the gate for about 80% on that. Not too bad. On the equity side, the best trade of the day was the SHPH. We grabbed this one at around the 2180, 22 level. Got about 10 points on that one. DWAC, we took this one short for 3 points this morning. 2 points on the 1 point and a change on the first short, and then 2 points on the second right after it bounced back up. Tesla, we had this one long for about 2 points. Basically held up the entire day. Didn't really have a ton of range on it, but was okay. Lulu, we were long this one for about 4 points. Nice little move to the upside. Notice the relative strength early on. Grabbed it on that. UNH long for about 1 point. GCT long for about 80 cents. We tried this USEG long. This one ended up not going anywhere. We ended up just exiting it at the end of the day. We probably could have sold it for a couple cents there, but whatever. FWBI, got about 30 cents on that one to the upside. That was okay. What else on the equity side? We did some. I'm trying to find. There's one more small one. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. Oh, we did some Manu for about 30 cents to the upside. That was an okay one. We tried some UPST. This one ended up not working. But not working is kind of. We got in at 24.37. It didn't really go anywhere. It kind of just stayed flat. It's not like it stopped us out or anything like that. We did some Revlon. We scalped that one this morning from the $7 level for about 30 cents. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Options was pretty mixed. We tried some SPY calls in the day. One set worked, one set didn't. It was kind of mixed. AMD, we tried some calls there. That ended up not working. Tried some puts, got about 40% on those. NVIDIA puts about 25%. And all in all, it was kind of a slower day. We were just really picking our spots, being patient, etc., etc. Market, guys, double bottom did hold on the daily. It still is looking bearish. We're below the trend. We're below EMA support. Not the best looking chart. In my opinion, I think we're probably going to be coming down to this inverted head and shoulders in the short term on the daily. I'm not sure how much volume we're going to see before CPI next week on Tuesday. So I'm thinking you get some positioning into it, and then it kind of slows down again, right before probably the Monday. Last little day of positioning. And yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. It's getting to the point where whenever you have these large macro events that kind of come out or macro data that comes out, you get sell-offs into it. The risk reward is no longer to the downside. Even if the data is really bad, you tend to get little bounces. If the data is good, you tend to get some really big movements back off the low. So we'll see how we move into this. I would expect us, if we do continue to sell, to get a little bit more of a bounce into it just because risk reward will pick up. Right before it. But yeah, we'll see. It's going to be interesting, guys. If you want to come trade with us, we do stream every single day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. You get access to our Discord channel, which gives you alerts on entries, exits, stops, targets for options and equity all day long from all the different types of mods. We have mods with combined experience between all of us, I would say over 150 to 200 years. Between the three main mods, it's about 100 years of experience. So that goes to show the level of the type of caliber of moderators that we have in the room. Anyways, guys, that's it. If you want to come trade with us, like I said, you can sign up on the website. Otherwise, there's the free Discord link in the description of the bio. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out on Twitter or send us a message on the website. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.